Selena Gomez in the window. I'm so excited for this. Selena!
Hi!
Hope you're ready for the 73 questions interview. Not before we put on some intro music.
Great, cue it up.
Selena Gomez is focusing on her health and her burgeoning career as she recovers from the global health situation, according to Entertainment Tonight. Multiple insiders told the magazine how Gomez is doing and why the single singer isn't searching for a serious boyfriend right now. While Gomez may desire that in the future, she currently desires this time for herself, her job, and her health, according to a source. In today's video, we will also discuss Kourtney Kardashian and her budding relationship with rapper Travis Barker. The pair have been getting extremely close and have been spotted everywhere together, definitely officially dating. Apparently, they have told sources that they both see a permanent future together. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss any of the new videos we post. Selena Gomez is having the time of her life as a single woman. The singer is in no haste to start dating or settle down, according to ET, and is instead focusing on her profession and mental health. Selena has continued to stay focused and busy in terms of her life and career. She's in a great place and really feels like she knows herself at this point. She wants to ensure that she's doing things that help her mental health and personal well-being. She's been working so much on herself over the years. She wants to make sure that she's in a safe and confident space altogether before jumping into dating anyone seriously, the source tells Entertainment Tonight Media. Gomez recently opened up about her mental health in a new ad for her beauty business, Rare Beauty, called Mental Health 101. The goal of the campaign is to link people with the resources they need to obtain help and educate themselves about mental health. Gomez said on social media that the project is near and dear to my heart because she has struggled with her own issues in the past. In a heartfelt post to her Instagram, she wrote, "Today I am so grateful that we get to launch Mental Health 101. This campaign is so close to my heart because of my own struggles with mental health. I know firsthand how scary and lonely it can feel to face anxiety and depression by yourself at a young age. If I had learned about my mental health earlier on, been taught about my condition in school the way I was taught about other subjects, my journey could have looked very different. The world needs to know that mental health matters. It's just as important as your physical health, and I wish we could all acknowledge that, not just in words, but through our actions. For anyone who is hurting right now, I hope you know that you are not alone. I'm a believer in seeking help. Getting support and educating myself on mental health has changed my life, and it can change yours too. I hope that Mental Health 101 will be the stepping stones for others that I wish I had to get connected to the resources they need and to empower young people in ways that may not have been possible before. I hope you'll join me in supporting this initiative and being part of the challenge. rarebeauty.com/mentalhealth101. With gratitude, Selena." It is safe to assume that Selena is heavily focused on her own mental health along with others and helping educate the younger generation about mental health, which is incredible. She's gone through so much over the past decade. It is awesome to see her turning something hard and difficult into something positive that will benefit others. This also means it has been her sole focus, and she really couldn't care less about finding a relationship at the moment. Another source opened up about this and stated, "Selena is very traditional. She would love to find her person and get married and have a family one day, but she is not looking for something serious now and is in no rush to settle down as her priority continues to be her health, career, and philanthropy work. She has worked so hard on her physical and mental health over the past few years, and she knows that she must be the healthiest version of herself if she's going to share her life with someone else. So she will only get involved in a serious relationship when she feels ready." A second source then told Entertainment Tonight Selena has continued to stay focused and busy in terms of her life and career. She is in a great place and really feels like she knows herself at this point. She wants to ensure that she's doing things that help her mental health and personal well-being. She's been working so much on herself over the years. She wants to make sure that she's in a safe and confident space altogether before jumping into dating anyone seriously. In a sit-down interview with YouTuber and makeup artist Nikki DeJager, who goes by Nikki Tutorial on her channel, Selena told the makeup artist, "It's just funny that I release things that say I want a boyfriend and stuff," Gomez quipped. "And I'm like, I didn't really mean it though. Guys guys are a lot of work. Every one of my exes thinks I'm crazy, so I don't care. Back in November, Selena also opened up about her dating journey and how it in fact helped her be her best artist and creator. She told the Newsette, "None of what I'm doing now would have stemmed from the mindset I had before. My best stuff is happening now. And then the greatest thing ever in my music was Lose You to Love Me, Gomez's breakup song believed to be about ex-Justin Bieber. I remember I had a moment where I couldn't believe it, because the first and second day, the reactions were crazy. And I remember I smiled and I was like, that's why it's worth it. All of these years of confusion and being in love and all of this stuff, and it was finally a clean slate. And it wasn't even because everyone liked it. It was just a realization of why I went through everything I went through." Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker see a future together. Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker aren't planning on getting married anytime soon, but a long-term relationship is a probable option, according to a source who spoke to Entertainment Tonight. Kardashian and Barker began dating in early 2021 and have shared numerous images of their relationship, including Kardashian tattooing Barker with an "I love you" tattoo. A source closer to the pair told Entertainment Tonight, Kourtney and Travis really recognize now more than ever how special their relationship is and how fortunate they are to spend their time together, whether it's just the two of them, with friends, or with their families. They could also see themselves ending up together one day, and it's really whatever makes Kourtney happy. Right now, though, they're just living in the moment and enjoying each day. Many, along with myself, were quite confused when the pair first started posting together. I think it caught many people off guard, but the pair have definitely made a great couple. So when did the pair start hanging out? In January 2021, when Kourtney uploaded a photo on Instagram and Travis couldn't help but respond, we got our first peek of Kravis. While he just replied with a rose emoji, it's difficult not to read into that today. When they both posted the same lovely view from Kris Jenner's property in Palm Springs, they hinted that they were spending time together. We got our first confirmation of the couple just a day after they shared matching Palm Springs photos on their feeds. Kourtney tweeted a nighttime photo of the pool on her feed. Kourtney and Travis are officially a couple, US Weekly stated, with people adding that they had been dating for a month or two at the time. In February 2021, for their first Valentine's Day together, the new couple appeared to keep things low-key. Kourtney shared a photo of a cozy-looking fireplace on Instagram, hinting at their upcoming celebrations. In the most understated way, Kourtney and Travis got Instagram official. While the snapshot of Kourtney holding Travis's hand is simple, it tells Travis fans everything they need to know. In March 2021, Kourtney dropped the L word, with Travis sharing a handwritten note from Kourtney on his Instagram. In April 2021, for a journey to Deer Valley, Utah, Travis and his family joined forces. The couple and their children went skiing together and appeared to have a fantastic time. Travis and Kourtney have continued to show their love for each other. The 18th of April, Travis unsurprisingly went all out for Kourt's birthday post, which included a photo of the two kissing, as well as a video of her sucking his thumb. Fast forward to the present day, the pair seemed inseparable and very much in love. When asked about marriage and all of that, Kourtney had this to say: "Getting engaged and married one day has definitely been a topic of conversation between Kourtney and Travis," a source told the outlet. Travis would absolutely love to tie the knot with Kourtney, but Kourtney hasn't been sure that's the step she wants to take in their relationship right now. She's extraordinarily happy and doesn't feel the need or want the pressure of getting married. There are a lot of other factors that concern her if they were to take their relationship to that next level, one of them being Scott Disick and, more importantly, her kids and what that adjustment would mean for them. It could be a lot to process, even though everyone sees that Kourtney is undeniably in love with Travis. Kourtney sees herself loving this moment and is just taking everything one day at a time and enjoying their time together. And there you have it, Selena Gomez and why she's in no rush to settle down, and Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker and how they see a long future together. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss any of our new and upcoming content. Thanks for watching.